like it.
Nice. My name is Mary Telford. I came from Haiti when I was 17, and I went to school in New York, and then I moved to Florida in 1999. And I'm retired from nursing, and I always wanted to do my gardening since I'm a farming girl. I came from a farm in Haiti. So when I came to Florida, the weather is good. So I started doing my own vegetables because nature is the best medicine. So I love to plant cauliflower, which I don't have right now, but I have broccoli, I have collard greens that's growing very nicely, and I have some asparagus. I do my own kombucha, which is fermenting black tea, and then I do kefir, which is fermenting of milk. And I realized that since it's a immune system booster, I'm very healthy and very healthy for everyone. So I keep giving it to even my cat. I gave them the kefir so they can be healthy, so I don't have to go to the vet all the time. So I'm encouraging a lot of people to do the nature thing because it is very, very excellent for you to do nature. And I'm growing ginger. I have a lot of papaya, and I have my herbs. And later on, you're gonna see everything that I grow in the backyard. And I met my nephew-in-law through my niece, that I grow lemongrass and he do the soap, so I harvest for him. So he put it in it very infused very nicely in the soap, which I'm using every day. That give you that natural skin. So I really enjoy the soap, and they're very good.
Can you tell us a little bit about your career background? Because you recently retired, right?
Yes.
So maybe tell us a little about that, retirement, and kind of what you did before retirement.
I used to be a nurse. I work in the operating room, and I see how people let themselves go until they come in the OR for surgery, for things that they can be prevented if they were using natural ingredients. So when I just retired, and now I'm growing more stuff so I can keep myself busy, of course. I have a lot of free time. And then for nature, I love nature. So, and then I'm gonna go to the church and start teaching young kids how to grow their own stuff in a pot. You don't need a big space to do gardening. You just need a pot, and then you can start gardening.
That's awesome. What part of Haiti are you from?
I'm from in the north part, in Lavender, which is my grandparents had a big farm, so I'm always there in the farm. So I'm used to nature. So now, since I'm getting older, I'm going back to nature. So it's very nice.
Do you miss home at all?
I miss the atmosphere. I mean, when I was smaller, when my grandparents were there, my parents were there, it was nice, but now everybody gone, so I miss it, but I enjoy the life I have now. I have gone to enjoy.
Are you married?
I'm married with my lovely husband, Bob, and he's very supportive of me, and I love to cook. And for my birthday, I got a big outside kitchen. So I cook there, and I use all my herbs and my things that I grow in my backyard. So we're eating nature. Yes.
So you said kombucha. Can you tell us a little bit more about it and kind of some of the benefits of kombucha?
Well, kombucha is a fermenting black tea. It's like a Asian thing. And I started it because I have a friend at work that was doing it. And then I always I told her, I said, oh, I always wanted to do this. So she showed me how to do it, and then I started doing it. And it's very good for your immune system. And believe you me, in the morning when I get one little drink, I have a burst of energy. and then I introduce it to other people, other friends of mine. As a matter of fact, yesterday one of them called me because she wanted to start doing it also. Yeah.
So I saw that you have some moringa over there. Uncle Bob said you use it to cook. What do you use the
Yes,
moringa for?
I plant the moringa and I dehydrate it and I make powder, so I put it on smoothies every morning, and then I do beets and celeries, and I dehydrate a lot of fruits. And then I make smoothies in the morning with the kefir that I make.
Okay. What is kefir? I'm not familiar with the kefir.
Kefir is a fermentation of milk. Yeah, and then you have the grain, kefir grain. It's 24 hours, you put it in the milk, and then the next morning it's ready. It's ready to make your smoothie.
Seeing that you were in the health field, what you know now about planting and the effects it has on the body, what effects have you seen with the natural products?
Well, with natural products, there's no chemical involved, because chemical break down your cells, so that really make you sick, especially in your human system. So once you start doing natural stuff, your human system get boosted up, and it's more healthier than unnatural stuff, really.
All right, Tati CeCe, thank you so much for taking the time and talking to us, and we're going to take a little tour of your garden now.
All right, I'll show you what I have.